What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage, and today we've got some side skirts for the Camaro SS, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so as I'm sure you know by now, we have been ordering and getting some of the parts from 6LE Designs. Today we're going to show you guys the C7Carbon gloss black ZL1 side skirts for the Camaro SS. So let's take a look at these bad boys. It came in a really big box. So here's the box. Hopefully everything's all right, because actually I didn't open this. It came opened. So let's put the box on the table here. So let's take a look at these bad boys. So again, just like the front splitter for the Camaro, these bad boys just come wrapped with plastic wrap. They did a really good job. It does look like there's a little bit of hardware here. I don't see any instructions. Let's move the box out of the way and take a look at these bad boys. Let me put this down. All right, so these guys do a really good job on packaging. Obviously, you can see it here. Let me move the table back just a little bit. Right here, so it's fully packaged. We do got a small bag of hardware here. Put that to the side, and let's take a look at these. This is the gloss black now. C7Carbon offers this in multiple different styles, from carbon fiber to glossy black to just gel coated or primed, ready to go. So let's see. There we go. All right. So let's see what we have here. The finish looks great, just like the front splitter. These guys really, there we go. Let's get them off of each other here. Take a quick look at them. All right. There we go. So they look really nice. So there it is right there, completely finished and looking really good. You kind of set this one down and get this other one out. All right, so again, these are just fiberglass finish, so obviously they're very light. Now, obviously there is not instructions. So depending on, once we kind of get under the car and we take a look at this, we may turn this into kind of a two-part video, so you're not watching kind of the wandering video there. But here they are, so let's take a look right there. And so it obviously goes fairly far under the car, and it obviously against the car as well. Let's take a look and see what comes in the hardware package. All right. So it does come with a bunch of, so maybe it comes with a bunch of these self-tapping screws right here. So maybe that's their system in lieu of like rivets or something of that nature. There's quite a few of these bad boys, and they're all self-tapping screws. So it looks like on the main here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 holes. So it does look like it's all self-tapping screws. Looks like they are not doing the rivets on this one. Let me kind of look at, I need to look at under the car to see how this mounts. All right, guys, so we dove into it and we actually discovered that it's easier to install than what you would guess firsthand. So there it is right there. I know this isn't a great view, so take a look at it right now. So instead of us just getting down there and diving into it, what we're gonna do is show you guys the easy way to install this bad boy. So it comes with all those black self-tapping screws, and we haven't done the passenger side of this. So here is the passenger side. I wanna make sure not hit anything. So as you can see, there's all these mount holes. Well, all of this fits perfectly in the underbody of the car. So let me put this, and let me show you something here real quick. So you have these pockets right here and then throughout it. So the easiest way to install this, it actually only took a couple of minutes to install, and that is, I've seen guys do these with jack stands, lifting their car and all of this stuff. You don't actually need to do that. What you need are some of these, just these guys right here. And what you want to do is just line it up, and these cutouts, C7Carbon did a fantastic job, because all of these cutouts here, these little divots, there's actually on the inside of your frame, there are some plastic clips that go right into these slots, so it really aligns itself. Now obviously you'll want to make sure it's all perfect, but all of these indentations and cutouts fall inside with the frame, so you'll get it up in there and then you'll clip it in. Once you got it clipped in, you are actually really good to go. You'll just get your drill out and then start drilling. Now, we use the Craftsman Impact. It's small enough to fit under there without lifting the car. You may have to lift the car up a little bit if you don't have a small enough drill. And then you will need a extension as well. But other than that, that's really all it takes to install these guys. I mean, these guys did a great job. They're on there very firm. I was a little bit apprehensive using these little screws, but after installing it and really pushing it, there's not like wobble. it's definitely hooked in there. So I'm not really concerned. I might put one more up into the backside of the rear just for safety precautions, but I'm definitely not concerned. This thing is in there pretty darn tight. Now, you do have some options. Obviously, there's a very small gap, just as there is with the rear here. So there's a very small gap. If you clean your car regularly and you get in there and spray it out, I think you're going to be just fine, just like anything else. Or if you want to, you can put a lock of sealer. We did not opt for any kind of sealer in between that and the actual deal. But it is very simple, actually a lot more simple than I thought it was going to be. I was unsure if there was bolts. There is no existing bolts. This thing fits in there like it was meant to be. It's very simple, very clean. I think C7Carbon just knocked it out of the park with these guys. Again, they do offer these in carbon fiber and the glossy black like you see here. And then of course, if you want to get it painted to match your car, they offer that as well. So just a primer ready for paint. So that really is the C7Carbon ZL1 side skirts. We've got a lot of other updates coming to the Camaro, so we hope you guys enjoyed this install video. And if you guys haven't seen some of our others, make sure check out the Wrenched Out Experiment, soon to be Wrenched Out Garage videos, because we not only have just install videos, but we're also starting up a whole lot of just garage hacks and a lot of other cool things. We do appreciate you guys checking out this video and any of our others. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure hit that subscribe button below. You can hit the emblem, or you can wait until the end of the video to subscribe there as well. Again, we do have a lot of other really cool modifications coming to the 2017 Camaro SS. So if you guys aren't subscribed, you're gonna miss out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then we'll see you guys around. So drive safe.